the program name, the session name is Explore, Discover, Succeed. Because each and every person in their life, I can say, at the first quarter of life, the age from 1 to 25, we can say first quarter of life. And in this time, all the one are thinking about how to explore the life, even in all the streets. Hope all are getting my sound very clearly. Any problem comes, please tell. Okay. So exploring means it is depend upon the nature of that person. Nature of the person means if a situation or a chance you are getting in your life to explore, then only you can find the real content what you are searching. The process is known as discovering. Suppose you are exploring the situation what you have. Suppose you are exploring the availability, whatever available in front of you, the resources and all you are using and exploring maximum, then you will discover the real content of that, and that is the basic of success. So explore, discover, succeed, that is why the name kept in a formulated form. I think the name itself is giving the real value of the session, and I can say you one thing, this is not only for a single session. Actually, if this topic we are starting, then we can go for 6 or 7 sessions also, then also some of the points may remain. So we are moving ahead. So we are moving to the program. The concept of dream, you may be knowing this. What is a dream? What can be a dream? So last some years we can say, even the great APJ Abdul Kalam sir onwards, or sir enlightened a definition, sir enlightened a thought in the content or related to this dream, a big spark given to all, especially for Indians, not only for Indians but especially for Indians, especially for all the students, the spark has given. So according to you, anyone participant, please tell what is a dream. Who can tell, please tell it. Anyone answer please, what is the meaning of a dream? Otherwise please tell if any of the one is knowing what APJ Abdul Kalam sir said about dream. Don't keep language as a barrier. You can deliver in Malayalam, in Hindi, no problem.
Sir, it's a kind of imagination.
Dreaming is kind of an imagination. Okay. Anyone else?
Dream is something that never repeats, right?
Yes, that's a real one said by the sir. Actually, APJ Abdul Kalam sir said about the dream, that is, number of things are there, number of dreams. Day by day, night by night, day means 24 hours, that considerable day. The time we are having daydream as well as night dream. But some of the things are simply mares only, it comes, goes. But some of the things are there, the dream and the ambition, the aim, the target, the destination. And there, the value of dream comes. Because some of the time we can say, that dreaming is the thing. Already one participant answered about that. The dreaming is the thing which is not letting you to sleep perfectly or properly, because that enlightenment happened from the side of inner, and it is making you to achieve it. So whenever a person is thinking about the personality, or whether he can be a student or a person who is working, whatever it can be, that is not a matter. How he dreams. You may be knowing successful people, because success is not happens in one day, or it's not preparing in one day. It's a continuous process. We can say the day by day processes are required a huge experience levels are required, which we need to finish or come to the destination, what we can say. That will be the success. That is the success. And some of the time we can say, or most of the time, the thing is dreaming about that is the first step. We are saying sometime, I want that. Yes, it's a wishing actually. You wish to have something, you will think about that. If the dream definition, what we said, it is not letting you to sleep, means it is disturbing you because you are bothering about that, how to get. So dreaming simply can it dream and it can work also. And who is working on the dream with the full spirit, like how a person want to achieve the thing, how a person want to explore the dream. Even dream itself a person need to explore. Simply a dream is coming, okay, I hope you or most of participants are commerce related students. Suppose a person is thinking you want to become a CA. It's a dream, yeah, agreed. But one thing, in this itself, a person who is dreaming, simply dreaming, not working in this, that is not going to give any effect. Because you can say one thing, dream is the thing which is giving a properness. Properness in the sense, a channel is required. What about channel? A proper way is required to carry from the start of the dream to the destination. We can say it aim or the target what we have. So the dreaming is the starting. Why I said? Because most of the people are dreaming about the future, but we can say below 50% of the people are only achieving the actual dream what they had from the beginning. So in this session, we will go step by step related to this. Dreaming onwards, we said. And dream, how can we explore the dream? Like a content came to you in your dream. It happened like you are exploring. Means you are thinking more. Suppose one example I said that is related to CA. A person is thinking to become CA. He need to collect a number of things in his experience. Then only he can say it was not simply a dream, it was actually in working mode. Working mode in the sense, it to be a properly settled thing. Like you can see what is given. Can anyone read this? Can anyone read this please?
Yes.
Please read it. Read it please. Goal settings. You may be knowing. Yes, very good. So it is a thing that settings required. It's like a system, systematically moving from the dream or started from the dream. So the goal setting, what is required? Hope my language is clear to everyone. It's easy for everyone, I hope. Okay, so goal setting is required in the sense you need to keep a proper setting. Means how to start, where to start, how to move, which channel to move, and what is the destination, how to reach there, is what contents are required, what preparations are required. All those things to be taken to the person's personality, then only it can happen. Then only it will happen. So goal setting is one of the things. People are dreaming, but some of the time what is happening? The people, the one who is working, the man or a person or a lady who is working or a boy or girl who is working in this, they are not keeping the proper goal setting. They have a dream, yes. Every day you need to say, I have a dream. You will remember about the dream, you will work on that and all. But without goal setting means there is a proper procedure required from one to the last point where you want to reach. That is known as goal setting. So you have to set it and you have to work on that also. So goal setting in the sense you need to track it. All the positive speakers or motivational speakers are saying the dialogue only one thing: be positive, be positive, be positive. And actually, it's very we can say it's not an easy thing to think positive. But a person who is keeping a habit to think only in positive, then he can gain a number of things. And one side also there, you need to think about the negative side also. But one object or one chance is coming in front of you, the time your observation want to move to the negative. Okay, what is the problem in this? Yeah, you want to see negative also thing, job you are getting or a chance coming to you to do that. So what is the negative side of this? Okay, you observe, no problem. But what are the positive things in that, and what I can do positively to this? That is actually positive thinking. So this way, the positive nature you will make, that only affirmation. The affirmative nature what we keep in our daily habit. Even a single breathing moment also, same kind of things you have to keep. If you keep this in your habit, that will be your behavior in future.